Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Just was over in the place where some of the cars are standing and picked up the fender for the Toyota Carina 74 model. See, it's rusted. Problem is not anyone to get of this who is better. There's very few left of those cars at all. So I just have to try to dig out the rust and weld in new pieces. Let's see here. It's very... yeah, it's been put on some rust protection that the water come inside underneath that protection. And then you see what we have problems. It would have been better if we could have dried up without this, but this is what I have to work with. So now I have to try to loosen what is loose of this, so I can get it free. We have some rubber sealer here to try to get it away, because we need to clean up behind it. Luckily here it seems to be not in the worst places, so it have survived. It's lying between the front of the car and the fender coming on top. Yeah, so that one. You know, I just have to go and get off as much as I can of the other hair. Here you see two metallic plates on top of each other. Here I have to put in some. You see, this plate is screwed up here, ruined. I'm almost guarantee it was supposed to go out to here. Yeah. Have to get it to loosen off, and then try to wash it in acid and put some overthrow oil to protect the rest of it, and then weld in some. Just how to start. Here you see the Land Cruiser is still standing there, the Soaria, the Golf. Yeah, there have been a lot with other things lately too. Yeah. This one is loose enough. I clean it in lemon acid. I have some here too. Just going to get it away. Can't be here. Not trying to do the rest. To put on some new stuff all over here. Then I put it together. Put a seal bond or something under the screws. Yeah. When I have the right parts like this on the cars like this, you just have to be careful. So get the screws loose, and I just have to. I'm not sure what other things it's hanging on in here. Don't want to lose the parts, don't want to lose the screws. So, just have to be careful. It's not just to run out and buy new parts like this for a 74 model Carina. Yeah, becoming more and more archaeological dig. I believe it's locked in from this side, so I have to loosen up more shit here, water it more, get off more of the rusty parts on things. So it's not so just easy. The plastic have to be coming off from this side, so I have to try to get that one out too. Been digging out more, and I see now with some screws under here, so I have to get some very small cups, maybe, yeah, could be 10mm, and try to get it out. I was in my cabinet with tools, or my boxer tools. I found a 8mm that was falling loose, so I was just taking it to try it, and it seems to be the right size. So 8mm. Now that one is loose. Put in a lot of sealant. So I just clean it out and put it away, save it. Of course, also take care of the screws. Put it together with the other part. Then I have to work on with the fender when I have time. It was nice to just be out fixing a small part. I have a video when I was starting up this car. This have to be open from the outside to change bulb. Can't be from the inside, so have to see, because there's no point putting this together without changing bulb at the same time. Yeah, now I managed to do a small thing. Get the light off, trying to loosen up things more, because this fender had to be saved. It's the only way. I have to put the parts together. Getting parts for this car in Norway is more or less impossible. All of them are rusty. So I'm just putting the pieces together here now. So I keep it. See, this one I was unsure if you could just open, but it was just more or less glue itself to the system, so yeah. Take care of the screws and everything, so I have it. Yeah, just a small update here. Can put it in the same video maybe. This is citrus acid powder. Just trying to make something to get away the rust on the fender. So I'm just going to brush it on. Now I have to heat it up. Putting in the rubber piece. See if I can get some shit to loosen off here. And smoothen it, because rubber is getting soft by getting into acid. So just trying that too. Then we have the fender. Just washing it down with acid. Get the acid to drain into the system. Yeah, I'm just going on, put in more. We can see later. Yeah, I put in acid, lemon acid or citrus acid in water. I'm trying to get it out everywhere here, but yeah, we had some accident. I lost it down, so I lost a lot of the acid. It's not so strong acid. Just have to take this around. Just leave it with the acid on because it didn't go as planned. I see. Maybe I have to do it again. Yeah. It's like that sometimes. Please come back. I have many different things I'm going to show you during the next years too. So please start following. Thank you.